Yeah, it's fine. They won't know. I gotta meet my boy Spence at the cafe for breakfast today. We just bought some new places. Oh, I see him. What happened to your truck, dude? Okay, are you stuck in your truck? Okay, okay. Hey guys, just rolling from Iowa. I'm gonna see my boy Spence. We just sold our farm there, and we're looking at buying a cattle farm here. Let me roll into the cafe where he's been waiting for me because I got a big old slow truck. Pull into the gas station here. What's up, dude? Let's go get some food. Mmm, so good. Alright, let's go tour our potential farm we're potentially buying. We got Spence's truck over here. He's gonna lead us there. Hop in my Phoenix here. Okay, is this full of grain?
Apparently, I was not supposed to open the silo.
What?
Apparently, we're
How do
not
you?
supposed to
Oh,
open any
nice.
buildings.
Got a little
Oops.
table. Oh, well, no one told me not to, so. Eh, stuck. Why am I stuck? Eh, oh, okay, there it goes. Nice. Oh, what does this go? Oh, dude, there's a nice toilet. Two beds. Nice. Nice. I like your silo house. I lost connection. Oh, that one's got like a stainless steel bucket thing. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Oh, we got some hay. Nice. Okay. Here, a cow. They're not very healthy. But I'd have to health them up. They're only 22% in their health. Okay. Nice. Wait, I somehow got out into the. Where am I? Oh, okay. I'm where the cows are supposed to be. Oh, we got a four-seater with uh with a milk trailer. So we got a large cow barn here. Is this? Yeah. Looks like they need a little vet care, but pretty nice. Pretty nice. Nice. What else we got? Oh, nice. Oh, Oh, dude. Two big tractors. A hay bale truck. Trailer with ramps. Nice. Oh, it does look like there's a little golf cart in there. What if we look to the other window where Spot is? Oh, dude. We have a DVD collection if we buy this place. CR. Kitchen. Okay. Let's go rent the hotel room. Where we got wicked fast Wi-Fi. Oh, I forgot to. Let me close my canopy here. Okay. Oh, it wasn't bad. It was a little slow. Truck doesn't go real fast. But the good thing is, if someone's in my way, I just run them over. 7. Oh, is this our Airbnb? Oh, wrong one. Oh. Okay. Are we staying on that little boat over there? Okay. Oh. My truck sometimes tips over. It's just a thing. Okay. Oh, this looks like it. Alright, we're almost there. If you follow me. What just happened? If you follow me. Okay. This is very affordable. It was only $10 a night. You don't like my Airbnb? Okay. Hey, can I swim? I want to swim over. Where are you? Oh, dude, you actually do swim. Nice. You don't swim very straight, but... Well, it is October 1st in Minnesota. I think as long as it includes a free pressure washer to wash our trucks, we should do it. Because our trucks are dirty. Look at that. They're dirty. Dirty.
After sleeping on it over the night, we decided we were going to buy the farm. We went and looked at it the other day. We baled some hay on it just as a test to see if we liked the property, but I'm going to go ahead and put a bid on it now that it's actually up for sale.
Word. I'm not saying I just got stuck in a tree, but I definitely got stuck in a tree. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Dude, I got skills. Oh, is that what it is? Um, can you hit me now? Okay, don't hit that tree because it will glitch you into. Okay, that's fair.
If I didn't do so much tomfoolery, we would get much more accomplished.
Let's roll. Yeah, dude, I'll go get us some tacos. Money. Oh. Just ran over a ball though.
Spencer just transferred the money for the new farm, and we're off to go look inside and see
But we
what's
can do
all
that.
inside.
Okay. Actually, they put 6 in it. You want me to pick up a Red Bull while we're at the gas station? Where you at? I like kinda slowed down. Oh. was awesome. Did you see that? Alright, you want to check out the silo first? Alright, first I fed our now dog. His food was empty. Okay. Okay, I got mine to open. Got mine open. But when I opened it, it automatically went up and I was standing on it. Yeah, dude. I'm stuck on my door though. Nice. Alright, well, I'm inspecting the roof since I'm up here. It looks pretty good. So I think we got a good buy so far on the building itself. Yeah. Oh, nice, dude. We got a sink, a jack. We're gonna probably need that. We got a blowtorch. What else we got? Oh, I see you put your grinder away already. Nice. You already got your grinder home. Nice. Alright, so what did we get? We got... Oh, dude, another Phoenix. These are my babies. Let's see what this one does. Oh, alright, it starts. Nice. Oh. Nice. Alright. I don't have a fuel tank. Where? Oh, where? Oh, dude, somebody did poor application of paint there. Oh, yeah, it's on the over here, too. Rattle can can't fix. Alright, we got a nice trailer here, probably like a 30-footer. Have you looked up in the mezzanine? Mezzanine? Mezzanine. What do we got? We got some... Oh, nice. Alright, so what's this one over here? The one with the circles. Is that like a Thatcher? Hmm. Oh, nice. Is that like a giant baler? What's this bad boy do? Just puts it right into the... Just right into it? Nice. Oh, this is a carrier. Toilet paper. Oh, this is to wrap them. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure who would park like that. I think if we just ram it, it'll probably fall over. Or we can hit it with, oh, this tractor's got a spear fork. Okay, let's see. Okay. Sweet. Oh. Oh, that's probably good. They look a little unstable. Nice. Oh, you got a big old counterweight on the back. Case. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, dude, let me load it up. Pull out a trailer. On it.
That's wrap, guys. That's everything we got with the purchase of the property, and we'll go use some of it on the next day.